there's a lot of great theories out there and a lot of folks that talk about keys to success, and there's a lot of good ideas like, work really hard, have a good set of goals, build a team. I talk about some of that stuff too. But there's other keys to success too. There's way more than 3 keys to success. But the 3 that I think that people don't talk about, I want to talk to you guys about today. Number 1 is keep moving. Keep momentum. I think that creates success. That no matter what happens, if you find yourself stuck, I have a 5-year-old and I read him a book called Oh, the Places You'll Go. For those of you guys that have kids, check out Oh, the Places You'll Go, which is a great Dr. Seuss book. And there's something in that book that talk about the waiting place. You don't want to be in the waiting place, which is just a place where you're just kind of sitting around waiting for things to happen. And you're also sitting around waiting for life to happen, okay? Waiting does not create success. If you're strategically waiting for something very specific and playing the waiting game in negotiation, maybe it plays there, but most likely momentum and putting one foot in for the other and finding a thing that you can do to carry yourself towards your goals on a daily basis. Momentum and moving is what's going to create success, not waiting, okay? So keep moving. That's number 1. Number 2 is don't ever quit. I find that most people, and I've had a lot of bad stuff happen to me because of this business, and I've had a lot of great stuff happen because of this business, and in general, we've created more and more success for ourselves, and that's mostly because we didn't quit. So those that quit the first time something bad happens and says, oh geez, you know what, this isn't for me, or I'm gonna quit because I'm just not cut out for this, or whatever it is. If you quit, then you're automatically out of the game. You already lose, okay? You've already taken yourself out by quitting, okay? If you don't quit, and if you stay in and find a solution and find a way out and take quitting off the table as even a possibility for yourself, then the only other option is to keep trying until you succeed. So don't quit, no matter what. Make yourself that promise right now. Put your hand on your heart and say, I promise, Matt, I will not quit. Okay, do that, and you'll force yourself to stay in and get through turmoil and get through speed bumps and stuff like that until you trip upon success. And you try until success hits you. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 is don't ever let your emotions get involved, and that's very hard because this can be an emotional business. On the good side, maybe getting super excited at a property auction where you end up paying an extra $10,000 or $15,000 for a property that you got excited about and you really decided you wanted, so your emotions got involved. And the other way that emotions could get involved, but for like getting overexcited, is also getting overly angry or overly upset, and just feeling and just taking things that people do personally. Oh, geez, this tenant didn't pay their rent. That makes me so upset. Maybe it ought to make you upset, but you just should have repercussions and actions in place to do when things like that happen. So you should just have a script that you follow when things happen. Well, the contractor didn't show up on his job today. This is what I do. The tenant didn't pay their rent today. This is what happens. XYZ, I missed the bid at the auction. Okay, I'll try again. Whatever it is, don't let your emotions get involved because that will skew your decisions and it'll cause you to do things that are based on healing the emotion versus advancing you towards your goals. So as best you can, I promise you, I'm not perfect at this either, but as best you can, don't let your emotions get involved. So those are the top 3 keys to success that most people don't talk about, but you guys should be talking about for yourself, which is don't quit, don't you dare quit, and don't let your emotions get involved. Okay, and stay moving, keep momentum, put one foot in front of the other every day. Okay, those 3 things, among many of the other keys to success that are out there in conversations about this business and about life in general, those will all carry you forward to success. Now, if you guys like this video, do me a personal favor and like this video because it tells Facebook and it tells the other services that are out there for social media that you like it, and it'll help propagate it and get the message out so other people can succeed too along with you and get these tips. And also do me a favor, and if you like this video, share it with those in your network and show them, hey listen, I'm gonna make these commitments and this is what I'm gonna do, and it'll show them that you're involved in real estate investing, and they might even come to you and be interested in investing with you as well. So like and share, guys, make sure you do that. That's what I got for you. To your success. Thank you for watching. Have a great and profitable week.